Hi guys, welcome to my channel here at Dream Massage LA. I am so excited to share with you guys one of my most recent purchases for my self-care and at-home spa. This product is called the Magic V-Steam. It is a portable vaginal spa. First and foremost, I'm going to take you through an unboxing of my portable V-Spa, and I'd like to make your life a little easier as the owner's manual is handy. They also included a thank you card, which I thank you to Magic V-Steam for coming up with this wonderful product. The owner's manual goes a little into detail about assembly, but I'll try to make your life easier with this video. So what you're going to want to do is just check for all the pieces. You'll notice that you have a styrofoam insert and a silicone seat. There are some parts inside in a baggie. I discovered that they were seat cover as well as the drainer, and then you have the Magic V blend bags that look like tea bags basically. You're going to want to separate the upper and lower portions of the spa just to make sure that you have all of your pieces, and you want to also make sure that you sanitize the parts before use. I'm taking a cup of water, so 4 ounces of water, and just letting the drainer sit inside to make sure that it fits properly. And now I'm going to insert the tea bags right under the drainer. So I'm going to remove the drainer and just drop one of these tea bags inside. And the concept is to let it steep, and the water will actually get warm. When you first turn on the V-Steam, the lights come on the inside, and you'll hear 3 beeps when you go to press the on button. You hold it and it will actually say that it's on level 5, and that's just to give you a bit of what to expect when you're turning it on for the first time. And this setting is actually the highest heat setting for the spa. So you're going to press and hold for 3 seconds. You're going to hear 3 beeps, and the screen will show level 5. And the owner's manual says to let the water reach boiling at 7 minutes. So I set a timer and I let it cool down at heating level 1 by pressing the button once more. And I let it cool down for 3 minutes before sitting down. It's actually advised not to use the highest level 5. To steam, it's recommended to use up to level 4. They do not want you to burn yourself or your sensitive areas. So you want to make sure that you allow the steam to reach a more gentle temperature before sitting down. I also chose to drape a sundress around the seat of the Magic V-Steam spa to allow the steam to just kind of be contained. But I definitely enjoyed my steaming experience. I felt like I got a lot out of the quality of the herbs and the quality of the time from the product, and the steam was very relaxing. I watched my favorite YouTuber, Shira7, while I was getting my education on and doing some woman's womb wellness treatment for myself. Since I had the AC going and it is the middle of August in this particular clip, I used a blanket to cover myself, which also helps with creating a little bit more of a containment for the aromatherapy steam. After the first 7 minutes of using the steamer at level 1, I raised the level to level 2, and I stayed there for about 10 minutes. Then I set a timer and I raised the level to 3, and I was there for about 10 minutes. And then I raised the level to level 4 just to try it out, and I stayed there for about 5 minutes. So altogether, I believe I used the steamer for 30 to 35, maybe even 40 minutes. I didn't want to overdo it, but there's definitely an aromatherapy aspect of the steam, so it's very peaceful and very zen, so you can actually pass the time very quickly. It's advised not to go beyond 45 minutes for the V-steam treatment. So I just finished using my Magic V-steam for the first time, and I feel amazing. I just finished rinsing it out, and it was really easy handling from beginning to end. I sanitized it with Lysol wipes just as an extra precaution, but I actually did I did use it while I was experiencing menstrual symptoms, and it actually got rid of the weird cramping and achy feeling that I was having most of this morning. I would say 5 stars for this device. I want to get into the hang of using it more often, and I really love the concept of women's womb wellness. www, that's so cool. And there seem to be a lot of benefits. The benefits of steaming include helping regulate irregular menstrual cycles, helps to heal and detox the uterus, reduces period cramps, boosts fertility, helps to eliminate odor, enhance wetness, especially if you suffer from dryness, helps heal the reproductive system after childbirth, increase circulation, maintain good vaginal health, relieve stress, promote good uterine health. And it uses a 360 degree soothing herbal steam, and the magic herbal blend that comes in the tea, most like tea bags. As for the herbal tea bags that steam at the bottom there, the Magic V Herbal Blend consists of rosemary, mugwort, Egyptian basil, wormwood, damiana, and rose petals. And I do know that damiana is a proven therapeutic herb for the woman's reproductive system. I'm actually making myself a soup now. Like I said, I'm experiencing my woman's time. I call it my moon time or moon cycle. And so having chamomile tea with honey, a caldo de res, because I'm Afro-Latina and I must have me some fresh caldo. And this is like my day. This is my spa day. This is a bit of what I do, and I'm really happy to incorporate Magic V Steam into my woman's wellness, self-care, self-love routine. And I'm looking forward to enjoying this product. I must say that it is absolutely ingenious. The device itself, setup is super easy. Like I said, cleanup super easy, and it's not very many parts, honestly. It's just enough to kind of, for you to set up and look forward to the treatment versus like other things. Like I know that doing your hair treatment can be a little bit tedious depending on your process, which I would love to go into my process one of these days. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you feel that this material was at all helpful, useful. I'd like to know. And if you guys have any questions or suggestions for what you'd like to see in my upcoming videos, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much. I am so excited for you guys to explore this product. I am not sponsored by Magic V Steam. I just decided about a year ago when I saw it that I would invest in it for my own self-care. And so if you're interested, I've also left all of my details in the description box below. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, and I look forward to connecting with you. Thank you. Namaste.